Helium outperforming and currently approaching key technical chart levels. In order to keep market structure and continue this bull run, a few things need to happen over the next couple of days. The outperformance is encouraging, and we have to wonder if it has anything to do with the upcoming halving on August 1st. Time will tell. Let's take a look. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here on the Crypto Compound channel. Thanks for being here. Please like and subscribe on the way in. Today we're looking at Helium's current outperformance over its peers, over Bitcoin, over the general crypto markets. We have to wonder if it's related to the anticipation of the halving on August 1st, or if that is already factored in. I would go with the later. I think this is just normal price action. I think people have known about this halving for quite some time. I don't think that it's really impacting the price up until now. However, I do think that the suppressed levels of the broader crypto market have been holding Helium down, and the project deserves more notoriety. I think it is going to be moving up in the ranks shortly. Let's look here. We are currently at rank 65, which is the highest I have ever seen it. It's the highest it's ever been and during any recording on this channel, which is great news. Up 11.5% over the last 24 hours, 17% over the last 7 days. If we go here, we can see that over the last 24 hours, it is outperforming Bitcoin and a lot of these other top 10 cryptos here, with the exception of XRP. Now, if we go here to the price chart, very interesting stuff. We can see that this demand line here and the 200-day moving average work together to support the price right here at the $9.70 range, $9.50 range, which is good. This means that we are respecting the market structure. We're respecting this high, we're respecting these lows, this low. These wicks here came through and recovered. Of course, the follow-through price action of these lines are what really matters the most. We can see here we came down, touched the 200-day moving average, flirted with this demand line, bounced right off this huge engulfing candle, and we have continued our way up. The most important thing that can happen right now is we have to make a higher low than this low right here. If we break below this line and the follow-through price action is not looking good, there's no telling where we would end up. We'd probably end up in the $6.90 range, right around here somewhere. I do not think that's going to happen. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But I think the next target we're going to be looking at is right here in this range. There has been a lot of HNT trading places here. A lot of support, a lot of supply, a lot of demand, a lot of resistance. So this is a very key level. If we can break here and the follow-through price action brings us above, we're going to be looking at this. This would be the next target. However, I do think that we're gonna flirt with this line a little bit. As long as there is no giant Bitcoin rally, I don't see us blasting straight through this zone right here. This zone has been respected multiple times. It is probably the strongest one on the chart, with the exception of this demand line here. We can also see a clear breakthrough of this RSI trend line here connecting the peaks. This is a trend line that has existed since the first all-time highs and the second all-time and the most recent all-time highs. So that is also very promising. We can see that it looks like some stagnation here from the sellers, and we are getting some strong momentum here to the upside. Of course, if we zoom out on this chart, we don't really get much because this is the real first, there isn't too much history here on the chart. So this is really the first market structure that we've developed, and I think these are the only real lines that we can use right now. All these other lines, of course, are far below on the price scale. So I think what we're looking at here are what we're playing with. This is going to be a very, very important zone here for HNT. If it could break through, I think we're going to end up in here, and we will have to test this the 1640 line-ish over there. I think one of the beautiful things of this chart, though, is this 200-day moving average and this very strong demand line here sort of coming together, and HNT price respecting this zone perfectly. That is beautiful. Of course, we dipped down for just a few minutes, maybe an hour, but we recovered quickly, and it's just beautiful to see these two lines meeting up right here, and HNT bouncing right off of those levels. Really cool stuff. Let me know what you guys think here. Where are we headed? Do you think the Bitcoin market and the broader crypto markets are going to be headed higher? Do you think there'll be a more significant pullback? What do you think? I think as long as we do not go anywhere near this line, I think we're off for the races. Let me know what you guys think. Just like that, this video's over. I will see you next time.